Hey you guys, so if you're watching now, you're probably watching my replay or you are watching on YouTube. So don't forget to like my business page, join my customer group, and if you're one of my YouTube folks, I hope that you will ring that bell below and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. So we have, this is the end of April, so with 31, we have pulled forward our May customer special. So I'm going to show you the April and the May customer specials, and I'm actually going to well, not really unbox, but open up a mystery bundle. So the mystery bundle is only available in April. Okay, so for April, for every $35 that you spend, you can choose between, or several different things actually. So I'm just going to show you all the sale products. So this is the Tote-Ally Thermal. I hope that you've watched my April video already. This thing, I had a gallon of milk in here, and it there's so much more room in here. This is great for groceries, great for the boat. This is one of our large thermals. It zips on the top. You can carry it on your shoulder. It's more like a tote thermal. It's really, really great for the grocery store, for Costco. So many options here. You have a pocket right here. So this is the Tote-Ally Thermal. You can get this for $15. Here is the Fresh Market Thermal in saltwater shells, you guys. This is so pretty. This is actually one of my customers. I'm going to turn down my light so you can see it a little bit better. So you have seashells on there. This is the lobster embroidery in red, and then the last name is in navy. So pretty. So this thermal is great for, to give you size comparison, my entire crock pot will fit in here. It's so big. 9 by 13s if you're carrying this to church. Great for the pool, great for the beach, you guys. It is huge. It's just hard to show size comparison. It's so huge. Both of the thermals that I just showed you have our leak lock lining, which means you can put ice directly in here and it will not leak out. So this is so perfect for the beach and for the summer, okay? So spend $35, you can get a Fresh Market Thermal for $15. This is normally $50. So huge thermal right here. This is the Fresh Market Thermal. All right, you can also choose between a mystery bundle. So this mystery bundle is $20. So you spend $35, you can get a mystery bundle for $20. So it has $55 worth of products for that $20 mark. So this is mine that came last night, and I saved it for today so I could open it live with you guys. All right, here we go. Got my scissors ready. This is what is in here. Oh, wow. This is a medium utility tote. Awesome. A medium utility tote in the Falling Feathers print. These medium utility totes, I adore them because they're just the perfect size. They're not quite as big as the large, because sometimes we put so much stuff in there we can't hardly carry it. So this medium utility tote is the perfect size. So I got a medium utility tote, and then what else is in here? A Perfect Sense wallet in the woven stripe. All right, Perfect Sense wallet. This in the woven stripe. You have tons of different pockets in here. I love the Perfect Sense wallet. I actually sell a lot of these. All right, so that was a pretty awesome mystery bundle. A medium utility tote and a Perfect Sense wallet. I do know that several of my customers have gotten the Clear as Day tote, which is, I can show it, but it's got tons of products over there in there. Okay, why not? I'll just show it to you guys. So pretend like this is clear and empty, but they got the Clear as Day tote with the watermelon bottom. It's got that watermelon bottom around, and I've got stuff in here. That's why it looks so crazy. But they got this as their mystery bundle. I mean, that is so awesome. So you don't know what it is. I don't know what it is until it comes, but it's such a fun surprise to get that in the mail. All right, so next we're going to talk about the May customer special. So the May special has been brought forward into April. So you can choose a small utility tote for $12. Sorry, I'm getting myself confused. $12. This is actually our one in flamingos. Look how cute this is. It's kind of like that cubed shape, so it's great. I just want to use this in my car for snacks or for whatever when we're going to the beach. I think this is so fun. It's great for your closet if you want to organize your flip-flops, if you want to take it to the store and put your groceries, maybe your bread and your chips in here. So many uses. If you want to carry this to the ball field, you can put your All About the Benjamins wallet in this front little pocket right here. Have your wristlet strap. So many. You can use this for a library bag if you're taking your kids this summer to the library. Have their library books in here. I mean, there are so many uses for this. So spend $35 right now and you can get this for $12. Also, the second part of the special is the Crossbody organizing tote. So this is our only organizing tote that is a crossbody, okay? So this is in the tropical twist print, and I have that tropical leaf embroidery. So this is in Kelly green and hot pink. Looks great on this. So it is crossbody, like I said, so you can wear it, you know, on your arm like this, or you can wear it as a crossbody. So I love that you can be hands-free if you're a mom and you're using this as a mom bag for your kids, or even as a diaper bag. I don't, my little girl's not in diapers anymore, but I still have to carry a bag with us. So you've got huge, deep pockets on the front. My All About the Benjamins wallet fits perfectly down inside here. You've got the mesh pockets on the side, which I'm not showing it very well to you guys, sorry. You've got the mesh pockets on the side, so you can put a water bottle, a sippy cup in here. Hey Pam, this also does zip close on the top. So you can zip it closed on top so your things don't fall out. If you don't like the zipper sticking up this tall, all you have to do is just kind of tuck it in here like that, and you're good to go. So I love this crossbody organizing tote. So it is $15. So spend $35 and you can get this for $15. So another little idea that I have for you guys for the small utility totes. So this is about half the size of a deluxe utility tote. Okay, so here's my deluxe. My deluxe utility tote can hold up to 100 pounds. It can hold up to 100 pounds. You got the pockets on the front, but it can also hold 2 small utility totes. So if you want to keep whatever it is you need organized, put 2 of your small utility totes on the inside, and it is perfect for organization. So this is in the Pinwheel Party. Loving these small utility totes, you guys. They have been our top seller. So we came out with these in March. Let's see, in March, and they have been they were #1 in March for sales. They beat the large utility tote, and our large utility tote is always #1. So it's about half the size of a deluxe utility tote, so which means you can put 2 of these down on the inside. So I hope that you've enjoyed seeing my April and May customer specials. So right now until the end of April, you can purchase either April or May customer special. So how awesome is that? And then my Mother's Day cutoff, if you want to order for Mother's Day, my Mother's Day cutoff is April 26th. So when you're shopping on my site, make sure that you choose my Andrea's Mystery Hostess Party, or Mother's Day Mystery Hostess, I think that's what I have it called. That way, when you place your order on that link, then your name goes into my drawing for the Hostess Rewards. And if you've ever earned Hostess Rewards from a Mystery Hostess Party, you know how awesome that is, because you get to choose whatever you want, whether it be free credits, whatever I draw your name for. So whether it be free credits or half price items or Hostess exclusives, it's so fun. So anyways, thank you guys so much for allowing me to be your 31 consultant. I love my job and I love you guys. So have a great day.